This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a system restore point before making changes to drivers or the registry. This protects you if something goes wrong. Keep an external mouse, touchscreen, or on-screen keyboard available for control. Use Windows 10 or Windows 11 as these steps match both systems. Locate the Windows key and press Windows key plus X to open a quick menu. This step takes about 1 minute and provides device manager access. Confirm you have administrator rights before proceeding to disable any input hardware. Open Device Manager using Windows key plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. Expand keyboards and identify the HID keyboard device or standard PS/2 keyboard entry. Right-click the keyboard entry and choose Disable Device to stop input immediately. If Disable is unavailable, choose Uninstall Device and then check Delete the driver software for this device when prompted. After uninstalling, reboot the PC to finalize the change. The keyboard will remain inactive, and to re-enable the keyboard, open Device Manager and choose Enable Device for the same entry. If you uninstalled drivers, use Action, scan for hardware changes to reinstall drivers automatically. If the keyboard remains unusable, use System Restore to revert to the earlier restore point you created. You can also boot into safe mode to regain control or use an external USB keyboard to reinstall drivers. For advanced control, consider Group Policy Editor or the Devkin exe utility to script, disable, and re-enable actions securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.